101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Yes, how are you guys, smart listeners, wherever you are? Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. until 8 p.m., of course, we have a special program, Smart of Your Life English Discussion with English communities with me, Erdesam. And of course, I'm not alone here. We have a friends from us. Views community in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to introduce their self one by one. Are you ready, smart listeners? Yes. Hi guys. Please use this. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Once again, I repeat. Hi guys.
Hi.
Yes. How are you? How are you?
Alhamdulillah, we are fine.
Alhamdulillah, fine. What about you?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Fine, also. Yes. Okay, thank you for coming here. You're welcome in our studio, in our second home. Yeah, English discussion, Smart of Your Life with Smart FM. And of course, as I promised to smart listeners that I would like to invite you guys to mention one by one your name. Yes, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah,
Please use this mic. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, I start from you. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Wait. Please introduce yourself to smart listeners. What is your name? What is your English community? How looks like, and what about the agenda, please? Come on. See the camera.
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Muhammad Alam Sharamli. You can call me Alam.
Hi Alam. Everybody say hi Alam.
Yeah.
Hi Alam.
Hi too. Okay, I'm from BEMC, Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia Communities. Okay, Bridge English Communities. BEMC is a communities for large of Indonesia is English communities. You can join us for these communities. I waiting you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
What about the social media or Instagram of BMC Bridge English Club Indonesia?
You follow guys BEMC for Instagram. Okay, because BEMC is familiar for Makassar.
Okay, thank you. Alam, yeah, welcome back. Yeah, in our second home, welcome back.
Three.
Huh?
3 meetings.
Yeah, welcome back. I say.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's why. Welcome.
Okay.
I don't want to confirm you that you are 3, 4, 5. No, welcome back. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Alam. I'll be back to you. Okay, please introduce yourself to smart listeners. What is your name? What is your English community? How it looks like, and what about the agenda or schedule, please? Come on.
So, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Narasumber.
Okay.
You can call me Nuni.
Everybody say Nuni. Hi, Nuni.
Hi. I'm from BEMC too.
Sorry, where?
BEMC.
Okay.
Yeah. BEMC Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia. BEMC is one of English community in Makassar. They're open for all ages. When you want to learn English, so please come to us, and we're waiting for you. And also we have many agendas.
Yes.
Soon, but we have agenda in every week. That is online and offline meeting.
Weekly meeting.
Oh, yeah, weekly
about
meeting.
online and offline, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, thank you for the first time. Yeah, welcome.
It's my very first time. My debut.
Okay, thank you, Nuni. Next, please. You know the clue, right?
Yes.
Okay, introduce yourself, your name, your English community, how it looks like, and what about the agenda? Come on, please. See
Okay,
the
hi
camera.
everyone.
Hi.
Okay, thanks for having me. So my name is Nur Afialimuddin. You can call me Fia.
Hi,
Hi,
Fia.
Hi.
So I'm from English Education Department since 2025, and I'm from SID, student
SID.
of English Education Department.
Okay, so how do we call you? What is your nickname?
Fia.
Fia.
Yes.
Okay, Fia is the complete name?
No,
What is your complete name?
Nur Afia.
Nur Afia. Welcome. Yeah.
Yes.
Nur Afia in our studio, yeah, in our second home in English communities.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be back to you. Next, please introduce yourself. You, yeah, come on.
Okay,
see
hey
the camera.
everyone.
Mhm.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. I am Nurul Agniawalia, and you can call me Nurul.
Okay, hi Nurul.
Hi, Nurul.
Hi. Okay, I'm a student of English Education Department, same with Via,
Mhm.
and yeah, I'm in SID, same with Via.
From SID.
SID from SID.
Okay, do you have how to say in bahasa peran in SID or
I'm first. What is it?
Mhm.
I'm Maba.
Oh, maba.
Maba, yeah.
So you are the new agent or new members in SID, right? New members.
Yeah, I'm a new member.
Okay. Welcome. Yeah, for Nurul. Yeah, in our second home.
Thank you.
Yeah, give a applause for us first. Yes, as I mentioned, my promise to smart listeners that I want to mention the topic for this evening after I invite them to introduce themselves one by one to you guys. Yes, and our topic for today is, yeah, before I spill, talking about culture. We have a many culture in all of the world. Yes, but unlimited cultures. Yeah, in all of the world. But but we sometimes we have similarities culture or tradition. Yeah, and one of the similarities like birthday. And that's why our topic for this evening is birthday tradition. Give a applause for us. Yes. Are you ready?
Ready.
Use this, please. Use this. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. For the first speaker, Alam, Mbah Dukun. Yeah.
Okay.
You know this topic is simplicity, right? But it's meaningful. So how do you feeling to get this topic for the first time? And what do you think about this topic? Come on.
Okay, this topic is interesting for me because
Uh-huh.
the biggest party of my family and me.
Uh-huh.
If I birthday,
Mhm.
I want to pretend what date my birthday. Yeah, because I like a present a gift
Virtual gift?
no
Oh,
give
okay.
someone for like in my family always bring in bahasa in tumpeng. Yeah, especially for me
Okay.
because tumpeng it's a traditional food. If I a birthday, it's a landmark for this in my culture.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what is your reaction when you for the first time got this topic?
I'm so because happiness. And then I want to be a cry,
Oh my
pretend to cry.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Now you may.
After this, give someone. I'm very happy.
Okay.
Okay. Give me a plus for me.
Okay, okay, Alan, thank you.
Okay.
Keep your statement. Okay, I'll move to here.
Yes.
Okay, so what about you, Fia?
Yes.
What is your reaction when you, for the first time, got this topic?
Okay, so when I hear this topic, of course I'm interesting
Mm-hmm.
and makes me reminds that how curious people,
Mhm.
different cultures celebrate their birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So you are very excited.
Yes.
And how do you think about the opportunity because it offering you this opportunity?
I'm so nervous.
Oh, so nervous.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
But
But
my senior
Uh-huh.
say
support you.
yes, support
Uh-huh.
me as
Mhm.
always.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm think how I will know if I never try.
Ah.
So this is a golden opportunity for me.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Yeah, this for you. This is a golden opportunity. For Alan, is a
Yes.
golden ticket, right? Okay, thank you. Yeah. I move to you. So, what is your reaction when you for the first time got this topic and offering or opportunity?
When I heard this topic, I feel excited because in my family, when someone help birthday get birthday, we are so excited to surprise the people.
Okay.
And then, as we know, birthday is like common what is that? Common activity and
Okay.
habit every years for
In all of the world.
and all of the world and all of what is that? All of people do that.
Yeah. Do you know that your family listen us and watching you and say hello to your family? Hi.
Hi Dad, hi Abi.
Okay, thank you, Nurul. Yeah. Do you still have any addition or you keep your statement? You keep your statement. Okay, thank you. I'll be back to you. Okay, hello Nuni.
Hello.
How do you feeling today?
Of course, I'm getting nervous.
You getting
Yeah.
nervous? What else?
And I'm happy.
Happy,
Yes,
happy.
happy too.
Okay. Yeah, the same question, similar. What is your reaction when you for the first time got this topic?
Okay, first, thank you so much for the question.
Anytime.
Well, I think our topic today is very interesting to discuss, but it's also challenging for me. And what comes to my mind for the first when I hear about our topic today is I think birthdays are special moment for everyone to celebrate a life, to be thankful, and to share happiness with family and friends. Yeah, but what makes birthdays are more interesting is that people around the world has their own way to celebrate them. Some are fun, some are meaningful, and some really unique. I think. Yeah.
Okay, keep your statement. But before you have to say hello to Sektor Bajing, your family. Hello.
Hello, my family. I want to say hello for my students who watch this.
Okay.
Today.
Hi, this your teacher. Okay. Thank you, Nuni.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
My second question, talking about birthday tradition. Of course, there is like a pray, right? A positive hope. Yeah. And this is like every week, every year we celebrate not only about the human but also like community, like a company, yeah, like puppet, yeah, hewan peliharaan or etc. something like that. We celebrate about the birthday tradition. So, which one do you prefer if you want to celebrate the birthday tradition? You prefer to celebrate your puppet or yourself, your community, your organization, or what? Okay, I start from Alam first. Which one do you prefer? Yourself or what? Okay, come on.
Okay. The first of all, present for my family. The first for my
Okay.
family give me a present, something for me, and after this I want to celebrate in my party.
I
in
mean,
my
like,
family.
which one do you choose if you have to celebrate the birthday tradition? Like, you celebrate yourself, yeah, or your puppet, your organization, your community, or what?
Celebrate myself for myself.
Yourself.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
why?
myself? Because it's important. That it's very important that, for me. The celebrate it the iconic from myself, because it's biggest for my journey in my life in daily activities for
Okay.
me.
Journey from east to the west, you mean?
Yeah. That's true.
We colleagues and after this, yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you. So, for sure, you choose yourself to celebrate the birthday tradition
Yeah.
every year, not for your cat, not for your flower, no, your for company.
Only in environment for my family.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
it's
you.
close, yes.
In addition, or you keep your statement?
In addition,
Uh,
no, is it enough?
You keep. You
Yeah,
keep it.
keep it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I move to Nuni. Yeah, sometimes there is a people, a half of people that doesn't or need not celebrate the tradition, but
Yes.
some of them celebrate.
Yeah.
But which you are actually, you celebrate or not?
Uh,
And if you celebrate, which one do you choose? Your puppet, your family, yourself, or which
Oh,
one?
Okay. Thank you for the question.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Actually, I don't really celebrate my birthday
Yeah, I guess it.
nowadays. But
Uh-huh.
but when I was in elementary school,
Yeah.
I celebrate once because I saw my friends doing
So
it.
my or bakso?
What?
So my or bakso?
So when I elementary school,
You didn't get my
I-
jokes.
Yes,
Okay, continue.
I celebrate my
Uh-huh.
birthday once
Uh-huh.
because I saw
Uh-huh.
my friends doing it.
Oh yeah.
But I think it looked fun,
Mhm.
especially when we receive a gift from others.
Okay.
And I think it was nice experience.
Mhm.
But for now, for me,
Mhm.
birthday is still something special,
Yeah.
but not something to celebrate like with a party or something
like
like that.
origin, not
Yeah.
origin. Okay.
Yeah, I think.
Do you still have any
just
addition or you
normal days.
keep your statement?
I think that's enough.
You keep your statement.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I move to Nurul. Yeah, the same similar question that about birthday tradition. Which one do you prefer to celebrate? Yourself, your family, your parents, your organization, community, your company, or what and why? You get my point?
No.
No. Oke, translate to bahasa. Jika kamu misalnya merayakan ulang tahun, cenderung merayakan yang mana? Apakah kamu akan lebih memilih merayakan ulang tahun diri sendiri atau hewan peliharaan atau komunitas, organisasi, ulang tahun orang tua atau yang mana dan mengapa? That's my translation. Come on.
For me, maybe I prefer to celebrate my parents.
Oh, my parents.
Yeah.
Okay, why?
Yeah, because for me, my parent is my support in my life,
Okay.
and so that's why I choose, because in my every day
Mhm.
when I have like something happen and
Mhm.
something happen or a problem like that, my family is first what is that? First support me,
Uh-huh.
always support me. So that's why I prefer to choose my parents.
Oh, okay, so kind. Yeah, okay. Any addition or
I think
you
that's it.
keep your statement? Okay, thank you, Nurul. I move to Via. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Via. Fee or P? Pia.
Fee.
Fee.
Yes.
Via. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Via. The same question. Do you get my point?
Yes.
Okay, please continue. Answer.
Okay,
30
so
seconds from now.
I will choose myself.
Uh-huh. Choose
Because-
yourself. Why?
yes. Why? Because I'm very, very proud of myself.
Mm-hmm.
And birthday is a time for me to pray for good things to
Mhm.
my new age,
Okay.
and celebrate the journey of my life.
Okay. New age, new era.
Yes.
Right? Okay. New era. Okay. Continue. Yeah. Any addition?
No, enough.
Okay. You choose yourself. Prefer
Yes.
yourself because you appreciate yourself,
Yes.
your journey, your
Yes.
how to say, achievement,
My
and that's why
achievement.
it's like to be a mood booster
Yes.
for get a higher and a higher achievement, something like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. The psychology. Thank you. I move to the next question about birthday tradition. When we're talking about birthday tradition, of course, automatically in all of the world, and every country is sometimes different vibes, sometimes different little bit tradition. For example, in Indonesia, when you get birthday, you have tumpeng. But in other country, not tumpeng, but maybe like only cake or maybe like shake, minuman, alcohol, and in other countries something like you have like April mob, like prank. If you got birthday, you have to like how to say jadi korban prank gitu ya. So how do you see guys this phenomena? Should we like do that or not, or what and why? Nuni, okay, please answer my question. You get my point. You get.
Can you repeat?
Okay, in every country, of course, a totally different tradition. Sometimes we have to like do a prank. In other side, we only like do solawata. In other side, like only you how to say cut the tumpeng and etc. So this is a very very diverse, very diverse. So should we do like that in every country?
Okay, thank you for the question.
And why?
Should we do?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a challenging question. Yeah.
Mhm.
For me, I don't really know how to give reaction of this question because personally, I don't really celebrate anything in my special days.
Prefer solawatan ya? Syukuran maybe ya?
No,
Syukuran.
yes.
Yeah.
It's just like a normal days for me, with full of reflection and just a time to be thankful for another year of life. But I think based on the country, we have to respect their tradition. Even if we didn't do that same thing, I think we have to respectful for them for their tradition, because we also have our own tradition in Indonesia, like